Hey neighbors, guess what? We've curated a list of some standout options for your next home security upgrade. But these are the ones that won't break the bank. Welcome to Next Upgrade, your ultimate guide to upgrading your home into a smart one. First in line are the security cameras. If you want to keep your home monitored 24/7 without burning a hole in your pocket, then these are some of the devices we got for you. The D-Link DCS650 brings crisp visuals and remote monitoring that keeps tabs on your home with precise recording. TP-Link's Topo C320 steps up with advanced night vision and two-way audio, perfect for keeping an eye on things after dark. And of course, Skone's V380Q6, known for its panoramic view and motion detection, makes it an affordable yet feature-packed option too. Not bad, huh? For your smart door solutions, we have E-Link Smart Doorknob, ensuring keyless entry with a secure touch. Tuya's Smart Lock X5 takes it up a notch, offering fingerprint recognition and remote control for comprehensive access management. Lastly is the Casita Smart Door Lock, powered by the Tuya app that has the same secure touch and fingerprint functions as the more expensive ones. Now, for those prone to losing belongings, let's talk about tracking devices. Tile Pro stands out with its extended range and versatile compatibility. Apple's AirTag also seamlessly integrates with the Apple ecosystem, providing precision tracking. And Samsung's SmartTag combines affordability with smart tracking features, making sure your essentials are always within reach. From advanced security cameras to smart door solutions and efficient tracking devices under 3,000 pesos, we've got you covered here on Next Upgrade. Stay tuned for more budget-friendly tech recommendations and hit that subscribe button for the latest updates. Let us know in the comments down below which budget-friendly devices you want to know more about. See you next time, neighbors!